Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to convert any text into a proper file like Word or PDF without using Microsoft Word, WPS Office or any other paid softwares. It's super simple, totally free and works in just a minute. First, go to ChatGPT and log in into your account using your Google account. If you don't have an account, you can create one quickly using your Gmail and password. Once you are logged in, you can unlock extra features like downloading files, getting longer answers, and more helpful tools. This next step is optional, but I like doing it to make a file look neat and professional. You can ask ChatGPT something like, what is the best format, font style, and layout for a formal document? You just give this prompt to ChatGPT and it will tell you up the best font size, spacing, and alignment, everything. It's super useful when you don't have anything in your mind. But if you already have your own style in your mind, like big titles, bold text, or different fonts, just tell ChatGPT what you want. It will follow your style. Now, let's do the main part. Take your text and paste it into ChatGPT and give a prompt like, convert the following text into a well formatted document and give me a downloadable link. Follow the format you have mentioned before. And here is the prompt we give to ChatGPT. Give it a second and ChatGPT will generate a clean and professional file for you. Once it gives you the link, just click to download the file. And look at this. How neat and how professional the structure, spacing and everything is formatted so beautifully. And we didn't use Word or WPS for any of it. You can download it as a PDF here only, typing Control P and saving it as a PDF. So that's how you turn any plain text into a clean document, fast, free, and with just one tool. If this helped, give it a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech hacks. Thank you for watching.